Hello, so welcome to my bathroom. I just wanted to give you a quick show of what I do with the tongue scraper. So I just brushed my teeth with a pretty good toothbrush, a Sonic 7000, and brushed for a good long time, even brushed my tongue. And so in the morning, generally what I do after I brush is I will pull out one of my tongue scrapers. And it looks just like this, it's just metal, and so it can clean pretty well, be sanitized, whatever. And you're gonna scrape your tongue. Now the reason why I do this is to get my tongue clean, healthy mouth, healthy body. But then, and I'll put more information, I just wanted this to be quick so I can show you. But it also helps with craving. So if you ate something the night before, or a couple of weeks before, not a couple of weeks, like a few days before, those particles actually stay on your tongue. So I just wanna show you, and it's kind of gross, but here we go. So you take this and you scrape your tongue and you get back as far as you can without gagging, and you just kind of put it in the sink and wash it down. So I'm going to show you that. I might have to turn this a little bit. See all that? I will show you in the sink just a minute what it looks like. I'll just show you now what it looks like. It's gross. So this is after washing or brushing my teeth. I hope you can see it. It's like yellowy brown. It doesn't matter how much you brush with that brush, it just doesn't get those particles off. So if you want to like clean your tongue really well, help if you have sugar cravings, you want to be eating ice cream or craving ice cream every day if you do have it, or some other treat that you didn't want to crave. Go ahead and get yourself a tongue scraper. I get these at Amazon. They're super cheap and come in a pack of 2 or just get one. And you can use it. And I will post the health benefits on there as well.